Well, man, it's your boy Dame the Great, man. I done took a little nap again, but shit, I'm back at it, you know? About to murder this motherfucking Yo Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Twitter, I am Dame the Great. You know what I'm saying? Instagram, Dame the Great. YouTube, you see it, Dame the Great 84. So let me go ahead and get it in and do what I do best, alright? Beats up, man. Listen, hey, look, I rock all white everything, niggas know I'm fresh as death. Bad chick, yellow bone, know she rockin' with the best. If I see it and I want it, it ain't nothing, cut the check. I might tear them all down just to keep my Dougie fresh. These niggas talk behind my back, who give a fuck about what they say? I'ma continue doing me and get this money every day. Right on, hold up, my bro say hold up, other one say roll up. The rock by the cases, you know we bout to pull up. I be doing me, and I'm posted with them killers. In the jungle, VIP, and we roll with them gorillas. Got this ice around my neck, got me feeling like a dealer. Cause they know I'm bout acting like the Thriller in Manila. I throw white on everything, that's my Yo Gotti shit. White on white coupe, that's my Yo Gotti whip. I don't know about y'all, but y'all know about this. But for me, that Mac ladies blow soul out of bitch. In the club, going hard, niggas know I got them rap. In the kitchen, whipping hard, niggas know I got them rap. In the pit, going hard, niggas know I got them rap. In the kitchen, whipping hard, niggas know I got them stacks. Standing on the couches and we all got on days. Got some rock all in my cup with a splash of lemonade. I'm a nice guy. I don't know why these niggas hate, but I'ma say fuck them cause there's money to be made. I wild out and shake my dress and make it rain in this bitch. Hoes going super crazy, thinking Wayne in this bitch. Got the club going ham like flock of flame in this bitch. This is every night when Dizzy Dame in this bitch. Now if shorty super thick, then you know I cop a feel. Say she wanna roll with me, so I told her pop a feel. And her friends coming too. She say, no, you not for real. I said, girl, bite down, disappear like Copperfield. And you know I'm in my zone, cause we gangsters in this bitch. We snuck in the back door, cause we banging in this bitch. You don't know me, keep it moving like a stranger in this bitch. I'ma click, pow, pow, leave you spanking in this bitch. In the club, going hard, nigga know I got the rap. In the kitchen, whipping hard, nigga know I got that back. In the bitch, going hard, nigga know I got the rap. In the kitchen, whipping hard, niggas know I got the back. Dizzy Dame the Great, man, I do what I does, man. Nothing to it but to do it. 10 years strong. Hey, I'm in the club going hard, niggas know I got them right. In the kitchen whipping hard, niggas know I got them right. In the pit going hard, niggas know I got them right. In the bitch going hard, niggas know I got the stacks, nigga.